Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you.
7th Standard Social Science Economics Unit 1 Production Part 1 Learning Objectives. To know the meaning of production, to understand the types of production. Today we are going to learn the lessons productions. What is productions? Production is the process of changing the raw materials into finished product. மூலப்பொருள்களை மாற்றி அமைத்து நம் பயன்படக்கூடிய பொருளாக மாற்றக்கூடியது உற்பத்தி, ப்ரொடக்ஷன் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்கிறோம். மீனிங் ஆஃப் ப்ரொடக்ஷன். ப்ரொடக்ஷன் இஸ் எ ப்ராசஸ் ஆஃப் கம்பைனிங் வேரியஸ் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ், இன்புட்ஸ் அண்ட் immaterials inputs in order to make something for consumption. It is the act of creating an output, a good or service which has value and contributes to the utility of individuals. Production in economics refers to the creation of those goods and services which have exchange value. It means the creation of utilities. Utilities na enna பயன்பாடு. Utility means wants satisfying power of a product. Utilities are in the nature of form utility, time utility and place utility. Types of utility. Form utility. ஃபார்ம் யூட்டிலிட்டினா வடிவ பயன்பாடு, ஒவ்வொரு வடிவமாக மாற்றப்படுதல். இஃப் த ஃபிசிக்கல் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் எ commodity is changed, its utility may increase. Example, cotton increases if it is converted into cloths. Place utility, இட பயன்பாடு. If a commodity is transported from one place to another, its utility may increases. Example, if rice transported to Tamil Nadu to Kerala, its utility will be more. Third one, time utility. கால பயன்பாடு. If the commodity is stored for future usage, its utility may increases. Example, agricultural commodities like paddy, wheat, etc. are stored for the regular uses of consumers throughout the year. Indian economy is a mixed economy. Mixed economy அப்படின்னா கலப்பு பொருளாதாரம். Private and public sector are existing together. Types of production. Now we are going to study production. There are 3 types of productions. First one, primary production. Second one, secondary production. Third, tertiary or service productions. முதன்மை நிலை, இரண்டாம் நிலை, மூன்றாம் நிலை. Primary productions. Primary productions is carried out by creative industries like agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining and oil extraction. இயற்கையில் கிடைக்கக்கூடிய பொருள்களை நேரடியாக பயன்படுத்துதல். Primary productions. Secondary productions. This includes production in manufacturing industry, turning out semi-finished and finished goods from raw materials and intermediate goods, conversion of flour into bread or iron or into finished steel. Third one, now the last types of production, the tertiary productions. Industries in the tertiary sector produce all those services which enable the finished goods to be put in the hands of consumers. In fact, these services are supplied to the firms in all types of industry and directly to consumers. Examples cover distributive traders, banking, insurance, transport and communication. Government services such as law, administration, education, health and defense are also included.